Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for watching this video and my channel. If you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? My name's Jen and thanks for watching. I post new videos every Wednesday, so if you're not subscribed yet, you can click on the link below and you'll be notified of when I post new videos. Today's video is my monthly favorites video. I'm gonna show you my lifestyle and beauty favorites from the month of April, and I can't wait to share them with you. So if you wanna see my April favorites, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna start with lifestyle, then go into beauty because it wouldn't be a favorites video without beauty. My first favorite is the What's Gabi Cooking cookbook. Do you follow Gabi on Instagram and everywhere? If you don't, you need to. This is her new cookbook. It is everyday California food and it's amazing. I have yet to make a recipe, but I've seen others posting recipes and all the feedback and everyone loves it. I'm so excited. I just got this in the mail. I kind of want to make whatever this amazing thing is here. Looks so good. The photos in here are amazing. I mean, it just, like, doesn't that make you want a salad? Seriously, like, aren't you hungry now? I'm gonna meet Gabi in a couple weeks. She's gonna be in Chicago on her book tour. Check your cities, see where she's gonna be, because she seems like so sweet and down to earth. And I'm so excited to meet her, and I just like had to include her cookbook in my favorites video. As you know, if you've been watching my channel, I travel a ton for work, and I'm really efficient at packing. You might not know that part, but I am. But what I hate is unpacking. I just despise it, like, every time, whether I'm in the hotel or when I get home. But I found something that makes life a little bit easier, and that is packing cubes. This is one of 6 that I have. I didn't know how life-changing packing cubes could be. I'm super efficient with the space that I use, but there's always a little bit more room that you can get out of your suitcase, and these packing cubes help. I did a lot of research. There's so many out there. Seriously. I didn't even know what packing cubes were, and then I researched it, and there's like a gazillion. I love these. My friend Maddie actually already picked these up, and I think maybe Alexis, I'm not sure. But let me just show you these. So this is the smaller one. It has a mesh front and it's like flexible. You can actually wash these, and it just makes packing so much easier, and the unpacking, because you just take these out. They have handles on them, and when you fill them up, like, you can fit so much stuff in here. And then you put these in your suitcase, and it's like just putting together a puzzle. They're super convenient. I have used all the different sizes. This small one I actually used the other day to put like a change of clothes in my gym bag because I was going to yoga, and it just keeps everything together and makes it look super organized. You may look like you have OCD, but seriously, you will thank me. These are so good. Links to everything in the description box below. Let's move on to beauty because, well, beauty. I don't know if it's because I live in a cold weather climate most of the year, but my cuticles get really dry. I wanted to try a cuticle oil, so I got the one by C&D, and I really like this. It's their solar oil. It smells really good. It actually smells like, hold on, it smells like an amaretto stone sour. Super moisturizing. Put it on once a day, just like while you're watching TV or hanging out, and so far I've seen a difference in my cuticles. So this is why it's one of my April favorites. Another one of my April favorites, which I fully planned on wearing during this video, I just like wasn't feeling a red lip today. I know, rare. It's this Lip to Cheek color by RMS Beauty, which is all natural beauty, and it is in this amazing red color. What I love about this is that it goes on like a balm and not a lipstick, so it's moisturizing and it lasts pretty long, like a lot longer than I expected. You definitely have to reapply after a meal, but barely. Really nice. If you've been following me on Instagram, you've probably seen this in my stories. Like every single day it's been on my lips, except for today, but it will be later today. Last but not least, it is the Supergoop setting powder. I am obsessed with this stuff. It has SPF 45 in it, and it sets your makeup, so you can reapply this all day long. I got the translucent color. It comes in a bunch of different colors, but I didn't know, like, if I have self tanner on, like today, like I wanted to make sure that the color that I had matched like whatever my skin tone was that day. And it's super easy to use. Since SPF expires after a couple of hours, that SPF that you have in your moisturizer isn't really that helpful like 5 hours later. So you make sure to go ahead and reapply with the Supergoop setting powder, and you don't have to worry about sun damage. I did a video on Supergoop before. I love their setting spray. You can check out that video up here, and both of these products are really amazing, but this one is new, so it made my April favorites. So those are my 5 April lifestyle and beauty favorites. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you have an amazing day. I will see you in my next video. Bye.